Today, we are going to talk about changes in demand and shifts on the demand curve. Factors or variables other than the price of the product change the demand for a product and shift its demand curve. Examples include income, the prices of other products, and weather. One example of variables that change the demand and shift the demand curve is income. As consumers' income increases, the demand for normal goods, such as computers, increases. As demand increases, the demand curve shifts to the right from D1 to D2. As income increases, however, the demand for inferior goods, such as low-quality products, decreases. As demand decreases, the demand curve shifts to the left from D1 to D3. Another example of variables that change the demand and shift the demand curve is prices of related products. These are the case for substitute and complement products. For substitute products, as the price of one product increases, the demand for its substitute product increases. For example, as the price of apples increases, the demand for oranges increases. Therefore, the demand curve for oranges shifts to the right, from D1 to D2. For complement products, as the price of one product increases, the demand for its complement product decreases. For example, as the price of gasoline increases, the demand for gasoline-powered cars decreases. Therefore, the demand curve for gasoline-powered cars shifts to the left, from D1 to D3. Another example of variables that change the demand and shift the demand curve is weather. For example, during a rainy season, the demand for umbrellas increases, and the demand curve for umbrellas shifts to the right, from D1 to D2. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you again in my next video.